In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a blank page here in Canva. So I have this page just here, and as we can see, it's blank. Now to delete this, there's a couple of different ways. We can simply click delete. Well, first off, we want to make sure that that page is highlighted. So we click on there, and then we can see that little purple outline. Now we can click delete on the keyboard, and it will delete it. Just like that. Now if we go back, there's also another way to where we can simply click onto the three dots and then come to delete. Now if you don't have this layout, it's still going to be the same way. So let me add the blank page. Let's come down to here to the right hand side and click on scroll view. Now as you can see, we have a different layout. Now to delete this way, all we have to do is find the page that we want to delete, or the blank page, and then simply click onto the little delete page icon, just like that, and then that's been deleted. Now you might even have another layout as well, because Canva does have three layouts. So if we come down to here and choose the grid view, it's practically going to be the same. We can click onto the page that we want to delete, we can click delete on the keyboard, and now that has gone. Now if we go back, we can also click onto the blank page, come to the three dots and click delete, or if we look up the top just here, there's a little toolbar. So if we click on there, we can now see the little delete icon, and if we click that, that has now been deleted. So that's just how simple it is to delete a blank page here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.